This Memorial Day weekend, we honor the fallen at America's Home for Racing.
The 66th running of the Coca-Cola 600.
I'm Ralph Mangum on the WHKY News, and this is Community Focus. Community Focus is brought to you today by Appalachian State University's An Appalachian Summer. WHKY's Arianna Mack has the Arts and Entertainment Bulletin Board with news from Hickory Ballet and Performing Arts and Hart Square. Before we get to Arianna, we'll hear from Sarah Killian, who has information on the Aviation 5K race, the Hickory Youth Council, the Sales Original Music Series, and the Hickory Music Factory.
That's correct, Ralph. Bringing you events from the City of Hickory and your Hickory Metro, starting off with Senior Communications Specialist Sarah Killian. Tell me about the new event in Hickory.
Yes, with our trails, tracks, 5Ks, and races, Hickory is quickly becoming a popular destination for runners, and there's a new event coming up for them. The second race in Hickory's 5K series is this weekend. The City of Hickory Parks, Recreation, and Sports Tourism Department will host the inaugural Aviation 5K on Saturday, May 24th at 8 a.m. at Winkler Park. The Aviation 5K provides runners with a unique opportunity to run along the Aviation Walk and across the iconic Hickory Bridge over 321. The cost to participate is just $35 per person. You can register online at runsignup.com, so get your running shoes laced up and get ready to race in the Aviation 5K.
That sounds like a great opportunity, and to see the Hickory Bridge, can't miss it. And tell me about Youth Council.
Last call for Hickory teens looking to get involved on the Hickory Youth Council. Rising 9th through 12th graders living in the city limits or attending a school with a seat on the council are invited to apply to serve on this advisory group to represent the youth of Hickory and provide input to the Hickory City Council on youth issues. They also learn about local government, represent the youth voice on other city boards and commissions, participate in community service projects, and hold events that build leadership skills for themselves and their peers. So if it sounds like a good idea for you or your teen, applications are available on the city website and are due this Friday, May 30th.
Great, thank you so much. And any downtown events we need to know about?
Absolutely. The City of Hickory's Sales Original Music Series, presented by Protection Products, Inc., continues with the Mike Strauss Band this week. The free concert begins at 7 p.m. this Friday night, May 23rd at Union Square in downtown Hickory. The Mike Strauss Band is a versatile Charlotte-based group that blends folk, blues, jazz, and rock into a unique sound rooted in classic American music. And then get your dancing shoes ready for the return of Hickory Music Factory's 16th annual Swinging Under the Stars on Sunday, May 25th from 6:30 to 9:30 p.m. The free outdoor event will take place on Union Square in downtown and features the Hickory Jazz Orchestra performing big band arrangements from the Great American Songbook.
Thank you. And tell us about some Memorial Day closings.
Memorial Day, of course, is a time to remember and honor those who made the ultimate sacrifice in defense of our freedoms. And with that, City of Hickory offices, libraries, and recreation centers will be closed on Monday, May 26 in observance. The Solid Waste Division and its services, including garbage and recycling pickup, will operate on a normal schedule on Memorial Day, and our city parks will be open throughout the holiday weekend. So I hope everyone has a happy and safe Memorial Day weekend.
Of course, and how can we stay connected with our City of Hickory?
As always, for more news and information about what's happening in your City of Hickory, visit hickorync.gov and follow us on social media.
Thanks so much for joining us, Sarah. Now I'll add a few more events coming up in your Hickory Metro. Hickory Ballet and Performing Arts, in collaboration with the Old Post Office Playhouse, presents Cinderella on May 22nd, 23rd, and 24th. That's 3 opportunities at 7 p.m. Get your tickets at hickoryballetpa.com. Try your hand at needle felting with Hart Square Foundation on May 24th at 10 a.m. Choose a scene in the serenity of Hart Square Village. Hickory Museum of Art, in partnership with Hart Square, will instruct you in creating a needle-felted 2D landscape. Minimum age to register is 13. Students under 18 must have an accompanying guardian. More details and tickets available at hartsquare.org. It is also the time of year to get out and visit some Hickory Metro farmers markets, such as the Downtown Hickory, Bethlehem, and Conover farmers markets. Shop all the local goods you need exactly close to home. That's all for the Arts and Entertainment Bulletin Board. If you have an event that may be appropriate for the WHKY Arts and Entertainment Bulletin Board, please email us at news@WHKY.com. Get out and explore your Hickory Metro. I'm Arianna Mack for WHKY.
Thanks, Arianna. And of course, we are always happy to have Sarah Killian with us. That brings us to the end of the WHKY News and Community Focus today. On behalf of Rob Eastwood, Arianna Mack, Jason Savage, and Sarah Killian, I'm Ralph Mangum.